traditional and own value of something. Let's say in this building, this is previous years art, but nowadays we have a contemporary building. That is also the art of the building.
In the past of Korea, during the Joseon Dynasty, people expressed their attitude through houses. They respected and loved nature and wanted to interact with the nature. When people built houses, they got natural resources such as wood, clay, rock, and paper, and built with specific structures to fit in with their region and climate. Also, they expressed their wishes and hopes of prosperity for family by paintings on the wall so that they believed those paintings would protect the family from evil spirits. For example, Korea's danjang depicted the beauty of nature through colorful patterns. These drawings portray Korea's desire to live in a beautiful world and show the wishes of Koreans to live in peace and harmony. And it was used to pray for good luck. People wanted to interact and use nature in their lives. Also, people adapted to nature and expressed images of nature through clothes, cups, desks, and houses.